Hi guys, and welcome back to another one of my air fryer recipes. So today I'm going to show you how I make my hot and saucy tandoori chicken legs. I will be using simple ingredients I already have at home. These chicken legs are super easy and fast to make for any dinner party or weeknight dinner. I will be using some fresh herbs I grow in the garden, which will give the chicken that extra organic taste. I'm making this dinner on a weeknight after the gym, so I'm trying to speed things up as much as I can. There's nothing that can speed things up more than my Ninja chopper, so I'm going to go ahead and make my marinade in this today. I have put the link for this chopper in the description below, so be sure to check that out later. Firstly, I added some green chillies, some garlic, some onions and some fresh herbs to the chopper. I then went ahead and added all of the dry spices listed in the description below, followed by a squeeze of lemon, some natural yogurt and finally some extra virgin olive oil. And just a side note, ASMR videos can never be a thing on my channel. That's my niece you can hear in the background. So I gave this 3 long pulses and the marinade was ready. I am purposely leaving my niece's voice in here because she sounds so cute. Anyway, back to the marinade. That looks done. I'm going to be pouring this all over the chicken and leaving it to marinate overnight. Oh, my niece sounds so cute, so she's asking her grandma to take her out again after they've just been out. Anyway, back to the chicken. We're going to marinate this and leave it overnight in the fridge. So now that the chicken has marinated overnight, I have arranged these on an oven tray and I'm now going to bake these in my air fryer oven. So again, the link for this amazing air fryer oven is in the description below. Be sure to check that out later. If you don't have an air fryer oven, that's completely fine. You can bake these in a normal oven if you like. Both of the oven settings are in the description below. And you may have just seen I also baked some crispy air fryer potatoes. So I baked the potatoes and the chicken at the same time. The recipe for the potatoes will be landing soon on my channel. So for the air fryer oven setting, I used the chicken option, 40 minutes at 230°C. And halfway through cooking time, I flipped these around and I carried on baking them for the remainder of the time. And just 40 minutes later, these are cooked through. I stuck a knife in there to make sure none of the juices are running out. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of juice from the oven tray onto the chicken. This gives it an outburst of flavour. And that's it. That's how I make my quick and easy chicken tandoori legs. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and stay tuned for some more air fryer recipes. Thanks, guys. Till next time.